Hi, as you know that I'm here in Philippine Isabela, and now I'm here in one restaurant. Actually, it's not totally the restaurant with the home. Maybe you thinking that, as my friend they told me that they are so poor, but don't say that it's poor. That one is small restaurant like a home. They have oven. It's called jeepney, and then they have oven a three motorbike, so they have enough much money. But for them, living is not a big house something, because they just want to stay happy with the joy. And then they have a here in a banana, so many vegetable there inside, because yesterday they have rain here, so I can't go. See there, you can maybe see they have too much banana there. And then the place they have, see they have a motorbike here. And then they have a, see they have own vegetable here. And then they are chicken. Most important, they have one bird here who speak Tagalog in some world. Angit, Angit. Block, solid block. And they have water, natural, automatic water, no need pump, no anything. In Pakistan we call clean and fresh water. Apa Angit? He speaks some Tagalog word. I call tricycle. ये तो चिकन है, ये तो आपको पता ही होगा. 3 to 4 person. Simply in Pakistan we call raksha something, but that the big one is small. 3 to 4 person. Mostly people here they use this. And I mentioned before, the house are so simple here, but they not compromise with hospitality. Just check out some view that I kept here. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share. We'll see you in next video.